we have this little tool set for fixing computers. I bought this on Amazon. I'm gonna fix a Mac Mini. If you want to see that, stay tuned. I'm gonna put that on my channel, me fixing a Mac Mini. It comes with this little cleaning pad for iPhones, I guess. And then a magnet to hold the screws in. And then here is the toolkit. I'm getting a little bit of... There we go. That's a lot of screws. Magnetizer. I don't know what that is. Probably to hold the screws. And then some other tools. Alright, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Bye.